grade 3. How are you? Are you fine? If you are asking about your teacher, she's very well because she's today with you. Now, let's start our lesson. Lesson's aims: you will be able to read about a process, listen to and follow a song, listen, identify and name items from nature, read words like what? Like tree, shoot, root, leaves, flower, plant, a tree, a bird, a wood, an egg, a branch, a nest, leaves. Okay, grade 3, let's start. Let's watch a video about life cycle of a plant together.
How does a plant grow? How does a plant grow? Do you or I or anyone know? How does a plant grow? How does a plant grow? Do you or I or anyone have a little seed? How a plant grows, little seed. First you have a little seed. First you have a next the seed grows a seed. Little seed grows. You have a next a seed. Next a root. First a seed and then a seed grows a root. Next a seed. Next you have a seed. Next a root. Next a little seed. First a seed and then a seed. Then a root. Now a little seed. Next you have a seedling. Next a little seed. Next you have a first a seed. Then a root. Now a little seed. First a seed. Then a root. Then a seedling. Now you have a full-grown plant. Stem and leaves a full-grown plant. First a seed. Then a root. Then a seedling. Now a plant. How does a plant grow? How does a plant grow? Do you or I or anyone know? How does a plant grow? How does a plant grow? Do you or I or anyone have a little seed? How a plant grows, little seed. First you have a little seed. First you have a next the seed grows a seed. Little seed grows. You have a next a seed. Next a root. First a seed and then a seed grows a root. Next a seed. Next you have a seed. Next a root. Next a little seed. First a seed and then a seed. Then a root. Now a little seed. Next you have a seedling. Next a little seed. Next you have a first a seed. Then a root. Now a little seed. First a seed. Then a root. Then a seedling. Now you have a full-grown plant. Stem and leaves a full-grown plant. First a seed. Then a root. Then a seedling. Now a plant.
I hope that you enjoyed the song and you see how is the life circle of the plant. Okay, now I want you to choose the door here. Which one? Red one, yellow, purple? Okay, let's go to the yellow one. Oh, what's here? What we have here? Look here. What is it? Is it seed, root, or shoot? Who can tell me? Let's see. Yes, well done. This is a seed. Thank you. Okay. Look at here now. Who can tell me what is it? The first one, this one, what is it? Who can tell me? Is it a root or a seed? Yes, a tree. This is a tree. And this one? Yes, a nest. The place, it's like a home of what? Of eggs, of bird eggs. Yes, well done, grade 3. Look at here. Wow, look at here. What is it? Yes, it's a bird. Thank you. Well done, grade 3. And this one is a branch. Very good. Excellent. Okay, now look at here also. We have, yes, well done, leaves. An egg. Excellent. Who can tell me why we said an egg here again? Yes, because we have a vowel here. Which one? Eh. Excellent. This is a vowel. So before a word that we have a vowel at the beginning, we have to say an. Excellent. Grade 3. Look at this one. What is it? A wood. Very good. Excellent. Okay, now I want you now to look at your class book, and we have what? To write the words. Look at here. Let's read the words. A tree, a bird, a wood, an egg, a nest, leaves, a branch. Excellent, grade 3. Okay, I will give you a minute to see the words. Okay, grade 3. Let's do it. A. Who can tell me? A. What is it? Yes, a tree. Very good. B. Who can tell me? Is it an egg? No. Okay, what is it? Leaves? No. Let's see. Yes, well done. It is a branch. Excellent. C. An egg, yes. Is it an egg? No, there is an egg in the nest. Very good, grade 3. Well done. Okay, D. What is it? An egg. Very good. E. A bird. Then F. Leaves. Very good. Why we didn't say leave? Who can tell me? Why we said leaves, not leave? Yes, because we have many of leaves, not one leaf. Excellent, grade 3. I'm proud of you, grade 3. And the last picture is a wood. Well done. Very good. Okay, now let's listen to the song about the tree in the wood. Let's start.
Point 5. The tree in the wood.
There is a tree. There is a tree in the middle of the wood. In the middle of the wood.
A pretty tree.
A pretty tree.
As you can see.
As you can see. And the green grass grows all around, all around. And the green grass grows all around.
And on this tree.
And on this tree.
There is a branch.
There is a branch.
A pretty branch.
A pretty branch.
As you can see.
As you can see. With the branch on the tree and the tree in the wood. And the green grass grows all around, and the green
And on this branch, there is a nest, a pretty nest, as you can see, with the nest on the branch and the branch on the tree, and the tree in the wood, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And in this nest, there is an egg, a pretty egg, as you can see, with the egg in the nest, and the nest on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in the wood, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And in this egg, there is a bird, a pretty bird, as you can see, with the bird in the egg, and the egg in the nest, and the nest on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in the wood, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around.
Okay, did you enjoy it? I enjoyed it too. You know, I like this song. Why, teacher? I will tell you. Because it tells us about the tree. What's there in the tree? At the beginning, it starts with what? There is a tree. Where? In the middle of the what? Of the wood. Yes, very good. Okay, the tree. Is it pretty? Yes, teacher, sometime. Yes, I know that sometime. But the trees that in the woods, I know they are very, very pretty. So, and what else? There is a green grasses where? Around the trees. Around the trees. Very good. After that, on this tree, what's there? Yes, very good. There is a bird. Okay, before the bird. Branch. Very good. There is a branch. Why? Because we can put the nest of the eggs there. Okay? So, I know that you enjoyed because your teacher, she's enjoyed the song so much. Let's go to another. Okay, now we have a story here. I want you now to listen. Okay, maybe after that we will act the story, but let us listen to the story first. And I know that you will enjoy it so much because also I enjoy, but I want you to listen carefully. Let's go.
Listening 4.6.
Little Red Hen lived on a farm with her chicks. One day she found some seeds.
Look! These are wheat seeds.
Little Red Hen decided to plant the seeds. It was very hard work. She asked for help.
Who will help me plant the seeds?
Bah, bah, not me.
Quack, quack. Not me.
Moo, moo, not me. Mr. Sheep didn't help Little Red Hen. Mr. Duck didn't help Little Red Hen. And Mr. Bull didn't help Little Red Hen. She planted the seeds all by herself.
I planted the seeds, but I'm very tired.
The wheat was tall and strong. It was time to cut it. Little Red Hen asked for help again.
Who will help me cut the wheat?
Bah, bah, not me.
Quack, quack. Not me.
Moo, moo, not me. Mr. Sheep didn't help Little Red Hen. Mr. Duck didn't help Little Red Hen. And Mr. Bull didn't help Little Red Hen. She cut the wheat all by herself. Cut, cut, cut.
I've cut the wheat, but I'm very tired.
Now it was time to make the flour. It was very hard work. Little Red Hen asked for help again.
Who will help me make the flour?
Bah, bah, not me.
Quack, quack. Not me.
Moo, moo. Not me. Mr. Sheep didn't help Little Red Hen. Mr. Duck didn't help Little Red Hen. And Mr. Bull didn't help Little Red Hen. She made the flour all by herself. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
I've made the flour, but I'm very tired.
Now it was time to make the bread. Little Red Hen asked for help again.
Who will help me make the bread?
Ba, ba. Not me.
Quack, quack. Not me.
Moo, moo. Not me. Mr. Sheep didn't help Little Red Hen. Mr. Duck didn't help Little Red Hen. And Mr. Bull didn't help Little Red Hen. She made the bread all by herself. Cook, cook, cook.
I've made the bread, and it smells delicious.
Da, da. Mmm. That smells good.
Quack, quack. It smells lovely.
Moo, moo. I'm hungry.
Here's the bread. Who will help me eat the bread?
Ba, ba. We'll help you eat the bread.
Quack, quack. We'll help you eat the bread.
Moo, moo. We'll help you eat the bread.
Oh, no, you won't. You didn't help me plant the seeds.
Ba,
You didn't help me cut the wheat.
ba,
You didn't help me make the flour.
ba,
And you didn't help me make the bread.
ba.
You didn't help with the work, so you don't get to share the bread.
Okay, grade 3. Did you enjoy the story? I know that you enjoy it because I enjoy it too. Now, who can tell me who are the characters there in the story? Huh? Who can tell me the characters in the story? Yes, we have duck. Cow, very good. Sheep, very good. Huh, what else? Who can tell me? Hen? Okay, very good, excellent. So, this hen called what? Little Red Hen. She wants what? To plant a seed. She saw a seed there. She took the seed and she wants to plant the seed. But in the same time, she wants someone to help her. She asked the who? Who can tell me? Yes, the sheep, maybe. His name is Bold, I think. Yes. Okay. Can you help me plant the seed? He said what? Bah, bah. No, I can't help you. Then she asked the cow. Also, he said the same. She asked again the duck. Also, she said or he said again the same thing. So the little red hen, she went and she planted the seed alone. In the same time, she's very tired. Okay, now the seeds become and grow and become big. So now here, the little red hen, she wants or she needs someone to help her again. But now for what? Yes, of course, for cutting the wheat. She asks help the same time again or the same thing again. And the sheep, cow, duck, they say the same thing. They cannot help her. She said, okay, I will cut. She cut, cut. And also she's very tired. After that, she wants now to what? To cook the wheat. Okay? She went and asked the same thing. Can you help me to cook the wheat or the flour? The same answer. They said, no, we cannot help you. So what she do? She went alone and she took the flour and she make a very yummy, delicious bread. Who can tell me now? What's happened at the end? Yes, very good. The smell come outside the kitchen and the three animals smell it. So one of them said what? Yummy. And the second one said what again, huh? Delicious. And the last one, he said, I'm hungry. So now, they didn't help her to plant, cut, and do the flower. So, do you think the little red hen, she will let them eat the yummy, delicious bread? No, of course, because they didn't help the little red hen. Okay, grade 3. Now, I want you to know, and I want you all the time and all your whole life, okay? If anyone needs help, you have to help them. Okay, grade 3? Let's go. Okay, now we come to something nice, adjective, okay? Look at here. I want you to listen to this video.
Hello. Let's talk about people. Here we go. Thin. Thin. Fat. Fat. Tall. Tall. Short. Short. Strong. Strong. Weak. Weak. Pretty. Pretty. Handsome. Handsome. Old. Old. Young. Young. Hairy. Hairy. Bald. Bald. Okay, let's do that one more time. Louder. Thin. Fat. Tall. Short. Strong. Weak. Pretty. Handsome. Old. Young. Hairy. Bald. Thank you very, very much, everyone. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Okay, grade 3. Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy the video? Yes, I know that. I want now to tell you something about the adjective. What are the adjectives? Always we know that the adjectives is describe what? Describe the noun and the words. Like we see now when we say this is a fat man or this is a thin girl. This is a strong woman, okay? And also, if we have a baby, small baby, we say that this is a young boy, okay? So the adjective, we know before, it's describe the words and the nouns. Until next lesson, inshallah, I want you to study hard and I want you do not forget that English is the best. Put it always in your mind that English is what? Is the best. And goodbye, grade 3.